they are not connected to computer. Now this shows like our loading into our traffic in the picture. See, it's very interesting because it is the maximum capacity. Sometimes it goes up to speed. However, some, for example, the speed case because of low usage, traffic is low. So there can be some kind of ways of managing system. So one of the interesting findings actually was about we interviewed or we gave questions. So this is for non-academic division people, 281. Now this is the percentage of people as a percentage of their usage. Now Vice rather as high percentage of users because we have very few number of employees and this is also including internal audit and credit writer. Whereas finance and administration has number of but also low usage from all staff members. So this is like the assistant level required. This is actually for about heads of divisions, non-academic divisions. Majority of them use computers, but not used for management purposes. So for example, 3% people are at level 3, meaning they need assistance only for maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. But people need assistance for all of it. For example, we can assume that they are using computers as power users. So this is about email and internet usage by and all the staff members institution. You can see still they are very low all the time. High usage, for example, if you use email, if you check your email 5 times a week, they call them high users. These are arbitrary kind of given indicators. Now, for example, internet users, if you check if you use internet more than 10 hours per week, you are like an expert in using internet. For example, I call myself as a per in terms of using, so I spend 20 more. And when it comes to IT qualification form, not heads but IT staff who are using computers, we have a lot of computer application assistants and others. Only 4% of degree or higher level of qualification in IT or related field. 26% people have some higher qualification, but no qualification more than 50%. And they say more than 80%, these people say they are not feasible in training by business. And these are like dominant problems in using computers. They may main issue when it comes to users as their main problem of using. Now, for example, it's interesting to see some people say English is also issue not to use it, but not a major issue. Now, when we ask suggestions, what are the suggestions in improving? Suggestions they have given us is training for them. The same we have also data for academic faculties and departments. It actually, we compare to administrative usage and their usage and knowledge is slightly higher than an academic department, but still same behavior pattern. I will not go into the details. So this again is about professional of not department heads but other administrative staff members. Again, very same problem. Virus is the main issue. Also knowledge about using computers. And these are suggestions in improving as they think effective. One thing I found, like for example, when we asked about non-academic members, so like 10%, they don't even see that. So there should be like a very high need of for improving awareness about things so automation can do. Okay, just to review about our findings. Overall IT literacy and usage in the universities, I would say satisfaction because majority of the youth and they are capable of doing that. And department and division heads are the largest, as a percentage, largest group of people who are using computers. And computer application assistant is the largest group in terms of can use computers, and they use it sometimes even without qualification. But since computer applications are available in almost all the departments, we can effectively use it. They are kind of a target group for our future training. That's the idea. As I before, now computers are seen mainly as a public good. For example, people say computers is of our department, it's not my computer. Right? So it's like they are lunch packers. They share lunch packers. So I think it's a big challenge for improving security, for example. Asking you to have a password for login. For example, even they have a password, but everybody uses the same password. So that is kind of killing the idea of having password. And sometimes you don't have password, you have ads or something, and everybody knows that. So this is the main issue in terms of virus, other hacking, and all other issues. In the future, when you especially have sensitive, important data on the system. I think this is the weakest point in having automated system, because if you don't give them an idea about it is your responsibility to keep your privacy, password, and even keep your computer as a computer. I used to call my laptop people like my wife. I don't have a wife, so I take care of that like my wife, because I don't give anybody to use this. For example, therefore now not that I say private property and public property. So that should be inculcated among the users, especially the users of computers. I'm sure they have computers. Some of them have computers at home. They don't that because it's like a protected item. When it comes to university computers, this is broken, so I use the other one computer. This is the kind of, I think, fact that should be discouraged. And overall, email and internet usage even among senior staff is low. So there is a lot of reasons, no access or not reliable system for email usage, and also there is no push from the university for internal communication. So it is low. As for staff, even though they are considered as computer application assistants, not many are qualified in IT field. So there should be some training. Virus attack is problem in computer system in university. Okay. So as a result of this this report, I made 10 or 11 suggestions at the end of the report. In terms of training, before going to heavy training, very important that we train people to maintain opening a Word file, Excel file, or printing. So this should be like householding, or how we use computer towards the user. And the last one is the developing IT studies of university is actually a recommendation from that report. Right, just last session for my last chapter about designing an IT study for university. So why about an IT studies? Now this is definitely a part of corporate plan. I want to look at the Muslim, because when I read corporate plan, he has emphasized a lot on IT part of IT studies. So that was what we think about right now. IT studies. This is a legal extension of corporate strategy. And actually, when we talk about strategy now, normally we, even though we talk in academic sense, sometimes we don't think about it seriously. I was listening to Mr. Godade Rajbaksh and Sarat Fonseca yesterday. Now their emphasis is always about strategy formulation and implementation of strategy. Now if you think about firefighting, doing more as day-to-day business, with this kind of result. So they were talking about always about strategy, before strategy orientation and implementation. Whether it is a military strategy, corporate strategy, or IT strategy, still same principle for that you have a good strategy implemented and to execute and then measure. So I think now we are very familiar with the idea of having a successful strategy. Yeah. So this also I think you know for usually purposes like research and teaching very effectively. I know Sri Lankan universities, including our universities, spend a lot of money in IT related events and projects. And most importantly, nowadays we talk about MIS and automation of management, as I have mentioned in the beginning about efficiency of improving managerial and administrative functions using IT. also I think Professor Ratnayak mentioned about having IT studies. I have seen nice documents in many good universities. When I did some research, I found kind of written IT studies for many universities in the world. I don't know how many universities in Sri Lanka have IT strategy. I think no, I got my knowledge, nobody has developed a separate IT strategy. So I think it's going to be a pioneering exercise for Sri Lanka to get IT related. So I don't want to go into details of what is strategy, but we will here is some more qualified speakers. But this is a part of the written as a document which can be associated with developed not by Chief Technical of Technology Officer, CIO, IT Director. So this can be referred in executing your IT related projects and all the work. So it should include internal capacities of IT, which we already discussed, external forces, how IT is changing outside, what are the openings available in terms of acquiring new technologies and financing, and what are the threats of having more IT, which you will discuss during your group. And this is like theoretical phase, but real things will come from you. And IT organization structure and governance, and also it's not only about document but milestone of how you really reach and measure the implementation. Okay, now I want to also briefly mention about what is process of this formation I have proposed. Now I want this to be a very consultative process of all the stakeholders, the most important and senior political university and the IT experts. So this event of the brainstorming, and after that we will have individual interviews. I will come with my staff and I will do some of you and also people who are not here. Maybe who are unable to come here, other people come up there, will target it. Because for all of this process, I have personally as a base because we have asked observers. For example, some of you have been united because of the functional relevance like this. Some of you have, because I have seen you are interested in IT related issues. So we will conduct interviews from all the members, and then we will have other staff members, not necessarily academic, but not everybody, maybe class or good applications. And then we will also discuss, we have discussion of focus to discussion students. And also with some alumni we will try to get some input. When I was talking to this, we was also proposing some other stakeholders, so I will name them, but you can also do suggestions for donors, UGC, community, parents, so they can be also accommodated. The only thing is, it all involves some cost, depending on how we can justify to our donors, we can include them and we can kind of consult them. But here, consultative stakeholder process of final consultative multi-stakeholder into this report. So, I'm thinking about having a strategic plan as a report. It will include maybe want to finish this by inshallah by 3 months. Hopefully we can do that before any conflict. Okay, thank you very much for your high attention and before